Okay, we're now back in the cab of a RoGator. We have the Raven Viper powered up. We have verified that the CAN bus modules have made all their connections on our software. You want to give this probably a 3 or 4 minute startup time if you are just getting to the vehicle to set it up to make sure everything has connectivity. As you can see here, we are going to reference our quick start guide that I have here on my lap. Again, available off of our website for your reference. So we have the elevator already installed. We verified that we have lights. Now we're going to walk through the initial setup here on the Viper 4 system. So the very first thing that we are going to do is we are going to select our Raven button here on the left. Once that comes up, we are then going to select our settings or the gears here to the right. Once we're in this menu, we are now going to select GPS settings, which is right here in this tab. Once the new menu pops up, we are now going to click differential sequence or differential configuration. We want to select this here in our down arrows. Just look inside there, and we are wanting to select RTK, and then we're going to hit our back button. The next setting that we want to confirm is going to be our RTK format. So you want to click again in this box here, and for the Viper 4, we want to be at RTCM V3. That's been selected. We're going to hit back. So now we've made those two differential configuration selections within the software. We are now going to click the check mark here in the lower right-hand corner, right there. Okay, now we want to verify our serial output. So we're going to select the serial output configuration. The very first setting we're going to check here is our baud rate. We want to verify that it is indeed at 38,400. If it's not, click in there and you can select 38,400. We hit the back button. We also want to verify our GGA in hertz. In fact, want this at 1 hertz. If it's not, again, we can go in here and select. We're going to select 1. We're going to hit back. Those are all the settings that we need to change here. Now we're going to go and select our check mark there, and we're going to move back a screen. Our next setting is going to be to verify that we are in fact getting RTK. So we're going to click our home button here. We're going to click onto our Raven Slingshot button there. And as you can see here in the upper right hand corner, we are in fact receiving RTK at the check mark. And we are green here. So that, in fact, is all there is to setting up a Raven Viper 4 with Elevate and Digifarm BBN RTK corrections. If you have any further questions, you can contact our technical support team or visit our support website for updates. Thank you.
Access quick reference cards and other technical information for your precision system at digifarm.com/support or call 319-531-7574.